Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question. Our today's question is liquid penetrant testing is based on the principle of option 1 is absorption of X-rays, option 2 is capillary action, option 3 is polarized sound waves in a liquid, and option 4 is magnetic domains. So before giving the answer, let me tell you that I have taken this question from my website, that is www.weldingandt.com. So friends, there are many question answer series on my website already available along with the explanation. So I have written the explanation to clear your concept. So these question answers will not only help you in clearing your interviews, but it will also help in clearing the concept or building the concept. So you can visit my website and you can read those question answers. Now, moving forward, the answer of this question will be capillary action. See, liquid penetrant testing is also known as dye penetrant test, or simply it is called as penetrant testing. In short, it is called as liquid penetrant test LPT or LPI, that is liquid penetrant inspection, or PT, that is penetrant testing, or DPT, dye penetrant test. So all these names belong to the same testing entity principle, that is DPT or LPT. Now the answer is capillary action. In capillary action, what happens? Suppose if there is any small opening and there is a water or any liquid, then the liquid will seep into the small opening. That is very simple but very powerful concept which is behind the dye penetrant test. Like here you can see in the jar there is a liquid, a blue color liquid. And if you place one tube in the jar, then what will happen? The liquid will seep up on the tube, means that there will be a level difference in between the jar level of the water in the jar and the level of the water which has gone up in the tube. So basically what happens when you do dye penetrant test, suppose there is a crack in the sense there is a small surface opening. So crack is a like surface opening. So what you do, you spray penetrant on the surface. Now due to capillary action, what will happen? The penetrant will seep inside the opening. Why? Because there will be a small opening, and due to capillary action the penetrant will seep into the opening. Now what happens? After that you clear this penetrant from the surface and you apply developer. Developer acts like a blotting paper. The penetrant which has entered into the opening will come out on the surface, and this penetrant is of red color. So the at the point where the defect is there, red color will appear, and from that color you can distinguish between the non-defective part and the defective part. So this is the principle behind capillary action. Friends, if you have not joined my channel, I request you to please join my channel. After subscribing my channel, you'll see a join icon, and by paying a very small amount you can join my channel. Please give your valuable feedback and suggestions. Thank you very much.